Guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy, and today I'm going to show you how to make cafe creme brulee, okay? In this bowl here, I got 5 egg yolks. Gonna add quarter cup of sugar. Quarter cup of sugar, and I'm gonna whisk it all together, okay? Whiskey, okay? Whisk it all together. Cream the eggs, okay? Get that all in there, okay? In this pot here, I have a cup of whole milk and a cup of heavy cream, okay? And to that pot, we're gonna add half a cup of cafe syrup, okay? And into the cafe syrup, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Okay. 2. And we're gonna be setting our oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, okay guys? And we're gonna bake the creme brulees for 75 minutes. Okay, into the cream and milk, add your coffee, okay? Here goes it. Here goes the coffee. Put it in there. Let's bring this up to a boil. We're adding another whole package of peanut package. It's that color. Okay, so once it brings to boil, turn off the heat, okay? Alright guys, now that your cream is cooled down, you want to mix it with your egg and sugar concoction. Alright? Let's get in slowly, guys. Okay? So let's get in. The reason why you have to let the milk cream cool down is you don't want to scald the eggs cooking. Or else it'll be all chunky and shit, right? So just let's get in. It's cooled down to enough. Yeah, it's cooled down enough where it won't scald the eggs. So I'm just gonna add it all in, okay? All right. Mix that in, incorporate it in there. I will fill the ramen get more. Fill up the ones that are short. That's it, guys. What we'll do is take a fork or a chopstick and just break those bubbles up. Into the oven, 320, 75 minutes. Cover the top so it doesn't burn the top. Cover like that. And we'll check back on it in 75 minutes. After 75 minutes, this is them coming out. It's all done, okay? Now we're gonna stick them in the fridge for overnight, and we'll brulee it tomorrow morning. Good?
Yeah, very good. I don't even like special.
Oh.
Suspected population by follow.
Juicy! This guy. Sophia, you like it, Sophia? Try to get some likes. Screenshot. Thumbnail. Steven. Thumbnail. Yeah, eh?
Bomb, bro.
Shit's juicy.